Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration Reform. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about the current USCIS processing times of I-130 applications for 2024. As of 2024, USCIS processing times for Form I-130, petition for alien relative, continue to vary depending on several factors, including the service center handling the application, the applicant's country of origin, and the specific circumstances of the petition. Understanding the current processing times is crucial for petitioners to plan, manage expectations, and navigate potential delays in the immigration process. In this video, we will break down the most up-to-date processing times for I-130 applications and what you need to know to stay informed throughout the process. If you are interested in this, to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. All field offices. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services processing times for Form I-130, petition for alien relative, vary significantly depending on the type of relationship between the petitioner and the beneficiary. For 2024, the processing times at all USCIS field offices reveal significant variations in timelines, based on the petitioner's status and the specific family relationship. For a U.S. citizen filing for a brother or sister, the processing time can be quite long. 80% of cases are completed within 117 months, while 100% of cases are completed within a staggering 178.5 months. This extended timeline reflects the limited number of immigrant visas available for siblings of U.S. citizens under family preference categories. When filing for a married son or daughter, the processing times are slightly shorter. A U.S. citizen filing for a married son or daughter can expect 80% of cases to be completed within 127.5 months, with 100% of cases completed within 146.5 months. This reflects the higher priority given to immediate relatives over those in family preference categories. Permanent residents filing for unmarried sons or daughters aged 21 or older face a lengthy wait. For these cases, 80% are completed within 106.5 months, but 100% are completed within 164 months, reflecting both visa limitations and the specific family category under which these petitions are processed. For a U.S. citizen filing for an unmarried son or daughter 21 years or older, 80% of cases are completed within 127.5 months, and 100% within 128 months, offering a relatively stable timeline within the family preference categories. For petitions involving immediate family members, U.S. citizens filing for spouses, parents, or children under 21 experience shorter processing times. 80% of cases are completed within 62.5 months, and 100% within 82.5 months. Similarly, a permanent resident filing for a spouse or child under 21 will see processing times of 85 months for 80% of cases, and 108.5 months for 100% of cases. These timelines highlight the varying processing speeds based on the family relationship and the petitioner's immigration status, making it essential for applicants to plan. All service centers. USCIS processing times for Form I-130, petition for alien relative, can vary significantly depending on the service center handling the application. Below are the estimated processing times at all service centers for various types of family-based petitions as of 2024. For a U.S. citizen filing for a brother or sister, the processing times are notably lengthy. 100% of cases are completed within 158.5 months, which reflects the limited number of available immigrant visas for siblings under the family preference categories. Unfortunately, the 80% completion time is not available for this case type, but it can be expected to be similar due to the long waiting periods involved. When filing for a married son or daughter, a U.S. citizen can expect 100% of cases to be completed within 139 months. Again, the 80% processing time is unavailable, but it is reasonable to expect the timeline to be somewhat shorter for the majority of applicants, given that this category falls under the family preference system. For permanent residents filing for unmarried sons or daughters 21 or older, 100% of cases are processed within 69.5 months. As with the other categories, the 80% processing time is not provided, but it can be assumed that most applicants will experience a wait of fewer than 69.5 months, with the wait potentially being longer depending on country-specific demand. When a U.S. citizen is filing for an unmarried son or daughter aged 21 or older, 100% of cases are completed within 109.5 months. The wait time for 80% of cases is likely to be slightly shorter, as it falls under the family preference category, which is processed after immediate relatives. For immediate family members such as a spouse, parent, or child under 21, U.S. citizens see faster processing times. 80% of cases are processed within 16 months, and 100% within 24 months. Similarly, permanent residents filing for a spouse or child under 21 can expect 100% of cases to be completed within 39 months, though the 80% completion time is not specified for this category. Understanding these timelines helps petitioners plan their immigration journey and manage expectations, as processing times can fluctuate based on service center workload, the petition type, and the applicant's specific situation. National Benefit Center. At the National Benefit Center, the processing times for Form I-130, petition for alien relative, vary based on the petitioner's relationship with the beneficiary and the petitioner's immigration status. The following are the estimated processing times for different case types at the NBC as of 2024. For a U.S. citizen filing for a brother or sister, 80% of cases are completed within 56.5 months, while 100% of cases are completed within 59.5 months. This relatively shorter timeline reflects the processing speeds at the NBC compared to other service centers, but it is important to note that the sibling category remains one of the longest processing time categories due to visa limitations. When a U.S. citizen files for a married son or daughter, the timeline is slightly longer. 80% of cases are processed within 61 months, with 100% of cases completed within 82 months. These processing times reflect the priority given to immediate family members over family preference categories, though the married son or daughter category still faces a considerable wait. For permanent residents filing for unmarried sons or daughters aged 21 or older, 80% of cases are completed within 53 months, and 100% within 56.5 months. This category is subject to family preference limitations, so the wait is somewhat long but relatively shorter than other family preference categories such as siblings or married children. When a U.S. citizen files for an unmarried son or daughter aged 21 or older, 80% of cases are completed within 54 months, with 100% of cases finalized within 56.5 months. These timelines align closely with those for permanent residents filing for unmarried children, as both categories fall under the family preference system. For petitions involving immediate family members such as a spouse, parent, or child under 21, a U.S. citizen sees relatively faster processing times. 80% of cases are completed within 48.5 months, and 100% within 60 months. Similarly, a permanent resident filing for a spouse or child under 21 will see 80% of cases processed within 54.5 months, and 100% within 57 months. These processing times at the NBC reflect a somewhat quicker pace than other service centers, particularly for immediate relatives, making the NBC a more favorable option for applicants filing petitions for close family members. Staying updated on the latest USCIS processing times for Form I-130 is essential to ensure a smooth immigration journey. While delays can be frustrating, understanding the factors that influence these timelines can help petitioners better manage their expectations. For those who are facing extended processing times, consulting with an immigration attorney may offer valuable insights into expediting the process or addressing any issues that arise. Always monitor your case status through USCIS online tools to ensure that you remain informed and prepared every step of the way. That is all for today, in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later, in the next episode. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration Reform. We hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to talk about the current USCIS processing times of I-130 application for 2024. The processing times for Form I-130 petition for aligned relative at US citizenship and immigration services vary significantly based on the petitioner's status and the family relationship with the beneficiary. As of 2024, these times offer across filed offices, service centers, and the National Benefit Center. For US citizens filing for a sibling, the processing times are lengthy, with 80% of cases completed with 117 months and 100% within 178.5 months. This is due to the limited number of immigrant visas available for sibling under the family preference categories. Filing for a married son or daughters results in a slightly shorter processing times, with 80% completed in 127.5 months and 100% in 146.5 months. When permanent residents file for unmarried sons or daughters aged 21 or older, the wait is long, with 80% completed in 106.5 months and 100% within 164 months. For US citizens filing for unmarried children aged 21 or older, processing times are relatively stable. 80% of cases are completed within 127.5 months, with 100% completed within 128 months. Immediate family members such as spouses, parents or children under 21 experience much faster processing times. US citizens filing for these relatives see 80% of case completed in 62.5 months and 100% in 82.5 months. Permanent residents filing for a spouse or children under 21 have a processing time of 85 months for 80% of cases and 100% within 108.5 months. At USCIS service centers, processing times for sibling of US citizens are notably long, with 100% of cases completed within 158.5 months for married sons or daughters. Percent of cases are completed within 139 months. Permanent residents filing for unmarried children 21 or older see 100% of cases processed within 69.5 months. US citizens filing for unmarried children aged 21 or older experience 100% completion within 109.5 months. Immediate family members of US citizens, such as spouses or children under 21, face much shorter processing times, with 80% completed in 16 months and 100% in 24 months. The NBC has a generally faster processing times. For sibling of US citizens, 80% of cases are completed within 56.5 months and 100% within 59.5 months. For married sons or daughters, 80% are completed within 61 months and 100% within 82 months. Permanent residents filing for unmarried children aged 21 or older see 80% completed in 53 months and 100% in 56.5 months. Immediate family members of US citizens can expect 80% of cases processed within 48.5 months and 100% within 60 months. Understanding this processing times helps a petitioner manage expectation and plan accordingly. Staying informed through USCIS tools and seeking legal advice can assist in managing delays or issues that arise